Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Power off and disconnect the headset before cleaning to avoid short circuits. Remove the 4 GHz USB dongle and any cables to protect ports. Remove ear cushions gently by pulling at the seam to access the drivers. Use a clean microfiber cloth and soft brush for dry debris removal. Avoid pouring liquids into the speaker grills to protect the drivers. Keep 70% isopropyl alcohol nearby for controlled damp cleaning around plastic parts only. Mix 1 teaspoon mild liquid soap with 1 cup warm water for a gentle cleaning solution. Remove pads and wipe each side with a damp microfiber cloth. Do not soak foam inserts. For stubborn grime, use a soft toothbrush with gentle strokes to lift dirt. Rinse the cloth and wipe again to remove soap residue from synthetic leather. Air dry pads and headband for at least 2 hours before reassembly to prevent moisture damage. Replace pads if foam is torn or permanently compressed. Use short bursts of compressed air to dislodge dust from mesh and ports. Hold the can upright and keep bursts under 1 second to avoid moisture buildup. Lightly dampen a cotton swab with 70% isopropyl alcohol for mesh edges and plastic crevices. Do not insert swab into the driver opening. Clean the USB dongle and charging port with a dry, soft brush and a toothpick gently if needed. Reassemble the cushions and headband, then test microphone and buttons. Let the headset sit 30 minutes before charge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.